Hello everyone, welcome again. In this section of this video, we will know how to create a function in Google Cloud Platform console. In the previous video, we know what is Google Cloud IAM and how to use Google Cloud Storage and what is Stack Driver, how to monitor our project in Google Cloud Platform. In this video, we will know how to create a function and how to test or deploy this function and how to view our logs. The history of our usage. So let's get started. So first of all, this is our Google Cloud Platform console. From here we can create a cloud function. But first of all, let's know what is cloud function. Google Cloud Function is a serverless execution environment for building and connecting cloud services. So Google Cloud Function removes the work of managing servers, or configuring software, or updating frameworks and patching operating system. Infrastructure are fully managed by Google, so that you just add your code. This means that a function can scale from a few invocations a day to many millions of invocations without any work from you. So Google Cloud Function help you to do your work in Google Cloud. Like, there is a lot of use cases for cloud functions, like data processing and webhooks, mobile backend, IoT. For data processing, you can listen and respond to Google Cloud Storage events, such as file is created or changed or remove a process, or changed or removed process images, perform video transcoding, validate and transform data, and invoke any services on the internet from your cloud function. And we have another use case like webhooks. Webhooks, via a simple HTTP trigger, respond to events generated from the third-party system like GitHub and Slack from anywhere that can HTTP requests. For another use case, we have like a mobile backend. You can use a Google mobile platform for app developers, like Firebase as example. Firebase you can write your mobile backend in cloud functions. You can listen and respond to events from like Firebase Analytics, Firebase Database, Authentication, Storage. These all services from Firebase you can work with cloud functions. Another example of use cases for cloud functions in IoT, Internet of Things. Imagine that you have about hundreds or thousands of devices streamed data into cloud pub and sub, which is publication and subscription, launching cloud functions to process and store data. Cloud functions lets you do in a way that's a completely serverless. So let's get started. First of all, let's click on cloud functions. And as you can see, there is a button, create a function. We can click on this button. And let's name our function. Let's say, let's name it edu onyx function. And we can leave the memory allocated as default and select our HTTP trigger as HTTP. Also, we can use our source code as inline editors, so we can use this inline editor as our code. And our runtime is Node.js, because as we know, we will write our cloud functions in JavaScript, so we will use Node.js as a runtime. And we can use this already built-in cloud function as example for just creating a function and test it. So this function let you put a message into this function and create it. So our function to execute is hello world, and click on create. So we will wait about a couple of seconds, and once it's created, we will have a green check mark here once it's created and deployed. So that's all for this video. We learned how to create a cloud function and what is cloud function, and in the next video we will know how to test this function and view our logs from this cloud function. So bye bye.